Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a relaxing install of this wig from Yolissa. It is a 22-inch water wave. And yeah, light your incense, get you a snack, some tea, you feel me? A nice warm drink, and let's just get into it. I just want this to be really relaxing and chill. By the way, I'm using an even tinted lace spray. I really like it so far. I think I use a tad too much, but you live and you learn. So yeah, just this one, I want to stay really chill. I'm gonna sprinkle in some positive affirmation throughout this. I'm gonna play some Quiet Storm starting now. You feel me? You feel that? Yeah, period. So now I'm just measuring out my ear tabs. I like to use my fingernail, but you can use a comb. I just like my nail is just easy. And then I will cut up to the hairline, but I won't cut past it because I like to take the wig off and just cut it that way fully. I don't like to do it on my head because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It's just not good for me. But you know what? Whatever works for you works for you. And if you like it that way, then baby, that's what you gotta do. You feel me? So I'm just using my other finger to do the other side. And yeah, it's pretty easy. I never showed this on camera, so I thought it'd be nice to finally do. And then I also have never showed how I razor off my lace, so that's coming up in a short second. I'm kind of ahead of myself right now. But you know what? Let me slow it down, baby, because you know what? Ain't no need to rush. We're relaxing over here. You feel me? Let me lower my tone. So now I cut 3 slits up to the hairline so I can have little sections to razor off. And I'm going to be using an Annie razor. I like them the most because they're kind of sharper than like the other ones. I don't know. You just like a brand. You just like a brand. Like, I just like the brand. You feel me? And so I don't really have anywhere picky where I like did the lines. I don't know. It was just like for the sections. You feel me? There's no rhythm or rhyme to a lot of the stuff I do. You feel me? If it just work, it work. You feel me? And that's just you could take a shot for every time I say you feel me, but like don't, because we relax right now. Do that later. I hate myself so much. So I'm just using my razor, and I'm using an up and down motion. You can't really see it right there, but I will insert another clip right here about how I do it up and down. I like to do a zigzaggy jig. Yep, that. I like to do that, and it just creates a zigzag on the lace where it's not so straight. And that's really good because when you melt your lace, it won't be a line of demarcation, so it's a little harder to find. And I'm telling you, this wig and my last curly wig I had, my lace was undetectable. I think I'm getting better at this by like the day. Can't lie. So like, if you think you can't do it, I promise you can, because like all it takes is some good practice, and baby, you got it down. Like, you got this. I believe in you. You looking at this like, I could never. Yes, the fuck you can, bitch. I mean it as a term of endearment. I love you. You got this. But like, for real, if you think it's hard, I promise you it's not. Promise, you got it. I believe in you. So now I'm gonna use my dirty ass Ghost Bond that I need a new bottle of. I definitely want to try a new glue soon. I am talking so much. That was not the point of this relaxing video, but I'm using my like Quiet Storm voice. So like, hopefully, and I'm like whispering a little bit, so like hopefully it was relaxing anyway. But like, anyway. Bro, I cannot say myself serious. I need to start raising scripts. Okay, anyway, back to it. So I'm just dotting it off, and then I'm using my dirty ass other Annie razor that's dull now. I just like to use anything that like I can move it around with. Sometimes I'll use my finger, but like if this stuff gets stuck to your hand, like it's stuck to your hand. So what I like to do, besides now, if you're using a utensil like this, just wipe it off with a wet wipe or a wet napkin, and then you can keep using it and it won't build up like that. But you know me, I'm a dirty bitch, so here I am. Wow, okay. So now I just smooth it out, and I'll do a little hand wave. I promise you, not even like 15 seconds pass. I just clipped it out because like you don't want to see me hand wave for like 15 seconds. I know you don't, baby. And so now I'll just pick up my lace and I will set it on top. Sometimes I'll smooth it in with a finger. I'll also use the end of a comb because I think it melts it in really nice. I also really want to emphasize this is like really realistic. Like, this is a realistic ass install. If I can do it, you can do it. That's like what the whole premise of this really was. I just wanted to show it was kind of easy and it cannot be that deep, I mean, it's like you paid a lot for the hair. I get it. You want it to be nice. But, like, if you're stressing about it and really want it to be perfect, then, like, you know, the more you stress, the more it won't come out the way you want. You feel me? So, like, chill out. It's going to be cool. You got this. If you ain't take nothing else away from this, you ain't even learn how to fucking install your wig. Just know one day you will, and you got it. And that's just that on that. And then now I think I'm just gonna shut the fuck up. Maybe I'll come in if you're still watching. I'll throw in a few positive affirmations if you fucking with it. Okay. I'm gonna head on out and I'm gonna come back with these positive affirmations if you want to stick around to hear them. All right, thank you for sticking around. I fuck with you for that. So yeah, I love you. You're beautiful. You are important. You are worthy of love. You are a force of nature. You're a simple being. Your aliveness is something to be thankful for. Look around and just see the things that you can be thankful for, being able to have the internet to watch this video right now, simple things like that. Like, I'm thankful for each and every single view I get, just be thankful and mindful of the little things so you can be receiving the big things, you feel me? How can you be expected to get huge blessings if you're not thankful for what you do have? So, if you haven't, take the time to just write down some things that you're very thankful for, that you're grateful for, the little things from just air to, being able to walk, things you just take for granted in everyday life. It'll just make you look at life a little differently. So, talk to yourself positive, you're beautiful. Tell yourself that every single day. Flowers bloom when they're talked to, plants thrive when they're talked to. How about you, sister? If you go look in that mirror and you just be super nice to yourself, just imagine how much you're gonna grow. I love you. You're beautiful. You're magical. You can do anything you put your mind to. If you ain't got no supporters in your corner, I bet you I'm one of them, and that's on God. So, enough of that mushy shit. Let's get back to the hair. So now here I am just showing you the results so far. At this point, if you would just like to wear no baby hair, I just wear a little gotta be on the edges. I think that gives away that white cast, and then bam, you're done. But as for me and my house, baby, we will do these baby hairs, you feel me? I fucking hate myself so much. Wow, I'm a joke. Why do y'all watch me? Anyway, so now I'm just doing my baby hair. I like to just see what it looks like, so I'll gel it down and then I'll add some, take away, And then once I see something that I'm kind of satisfied with, I'll go ahead and cut the baby hair off, like the front parts. I think I like the way it lays. But I do also have a new baby hair tutorial that you're more than welcome to look at if you want to see it in depth thing. You feel me? I got you. I'm gonna tag it about right here. You got it. Whatever you want, baby, I got you. I am so weak at myself. Oh my god. Like, I've been trying to be so serious this whole time, but like, oh my god, I really can't take myself serious. But anyway, I didn't include too much of this because again, I have a baby hair tutorial. But I do want to say really quick that I did not get no outro for this. Like, I did my hair and I had to go. You feel me? I had prior obligations to fulfill. So I just am going to insert a video of me like talking to myself in the mirror, how you guys should talk to yourself in the mirror. And, you know, you can see the hair and what it ended up looking like there. And, you know, and it's like wet state. It wasn't really wet there. It had mousse on. But, you know, you feel me? You got to see. So, yeah. You know, speculations that there were other girls that were that girl, but it turns out, I'm here to set the record straight, it's me. I am the one. Everyone else is 2s and 3s because I am the one. All the 5s need to listen when the 10 is talking. Alright? Wow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Try to talk to yourselves like that in the mirror because you are the one. You're not the 2 or the 3 sister. You feel me? So I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed and I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful. I'm still in love.